Sarkar. This year I have qualified June 2019 UGC NET. My subject was English literature and I scored a percentile of 99.12. As you all know that this year the subject syllabus as well as the question pattern was changed and there were new areas in focus made by the UGC. So we were all like aimless ships in a limitless sea. And here comes the need for guidance and coaching. In a coaching institute like Eduncle, you can find the study material well organized and well prepared, especially for the students of English literature. Topics like criticism and cultural studies were quite new, which was emphasized by Eduncle study material. It was extensive and exhaustive and it helped me a lot. And for the mock test part of the practice sets, it was quite fabulous as it helped me a lot by providing me quality question material and ample practice. And I think we should have a coaching institute like Eduncle and we should enroll ourselves for our quality preparation. As UGC NET, as we all know, it is quite difficult to crack and without proper guidance we cannot do this. And here comes the importance of an institute like Eduncle. Thank you.